Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to view pins with someone in Discord Mobile. Whether you're checking saved messages or trying to find important notes from your chats, this quick guide will show the steps in a simple and updated way. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages and servers easily. Once you're on the main screen, head over to your messages by tapping the chat bubble icon or navigating directly to the section where your private conversations appear. Next, find the chat with the user whose pinned messages you want to see. Tap on that chat to open the conversation. This is where all your messages are displayed. Everything from sent texts to shared links and reactions. Now, look at the very top of the chat where the user's name appears. Tap on their name to open the user's profile and settings for that particular chat. This action will bring up several options related to your conversation, including notifications, media, and more. From here, tap on the option labeled Pins. This is where Discord stores all the pinned messages within that chat. These pins could be important discussions, shared media, instructions, or anything marked to stand out for easy access later. Once you open the Pins section, you'll see a neat list of all the pinned items, displayed in order. You can tap on any of them to jump directly to that message in your chat. And that's it. You've successfully viewed pins with someone in Discord.